Welcome to Tulru English class. Hello everyone. Today we have a beautiful moral story about a frog living in a forest. As we listen to the story, we will learn new words and how to make sentences using them. This will help us practice English in a fun and easy way. So stay with us till the end. Once upon a time, five frogs were walking together through a forest. While they were walking, three of the frogs fell into a big pit. Out of the five, three frogs fell into the pit and two were left above. After falling into the pit, all three frogs tried very hard to climb out. But the pit was very deep. It was not easy to get out of it. The two frogs who remained above the pit looked down and said to the three frogs inside, "You will never be able to get out of this pit. It's too big. Your efforts are useless." After hearing this, one of the three frogs started to believe them. He thought, "They are right. This pit is too big. I can never get out." So, after trying a little, he gave up and sat down quietly in one of the corner of the pit. Meanwhile, the other two frogs kept trying to climb up. Looking at them, the frogs above again said, "Whatever you are trying is useless. You will never get out. You have to spend your whole life in this pit." Hearing this, one of the two frogs who was still trying also felt disheartened. He thought, "Maybe they are right. I cannot get out," and he too gave up and sat down. However, one frog was still trying to climb up. The two frogs above shouted at him again, "Can't you hear us? The others have gave up and you are still trying. You can never get out." But their words had no effect on the frog. He kept trying again and again. And finally, after much effort, he climbed out of the pit. All the frogs, including the two above, were amazed to see how he managed to come out. How did he succeed? The reason was that the frog was deaf. He could not hear anything. Because of this, he never heard the discouraging words of the other frogs. He kept believing in these efforts and finally succeeded. Moral of the story: when we try to do something good in life, many people will come and say discouraging things to stop us. If you want to achieve success, become deaf to their negative words. Don't let them affect you. Remember, the biggest disease is what will people say. People will talk whether you do something or not. So focus on your goals, keep trying, and don't let others' opinions stop you. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe our channel.